What 500K gets you in Orland Park, Illinois? Welcome back, you guys. I'm Travis, your Chicago real estate agent. Just 25 miles southwest of Chicago. Close enough to access and far enough for more space. Let's get to it. This lovely townhome. 3,000 square feet. Park and pond views. Luxury upgrades. Breathtaking park and pond views. Open layout. Custom hardwood floors. Luxury primary suite. Chef's kitchen with granite countertops. New stainless steel appliances, skylights, walkout basement, and more. It's a great place for families too. DM me HOME to get you started in locating your first or next home, or even selling your current home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more.